Question 21, find the margin of error. So I have two formulas for the margin of error, this one right here and this one right here. Now, based on the information they gave me in the question, I know what p hat is, I know what q hat is, and I also know what the z-score is. So I'm not going to use this one because this is talking about a t-score and a sample standard deviation. They didn't give me this information here. So what I do have is information for the first margin of error. So I'm going to use that formula right there. Okay, so we found a z-score of 1.96, and that was with a 95 confidence level. We know that p hat is 0.847. We know that q hat is 0.153. And we know that n, which is our entire sample size, is 150. So I'm just going to plug all this into this formula here. Okay, and what I should get is 0.058, and that will be your final answer for the margin of error.